MTSCO is a factory complex since 2006, one-stop shopping for piping system products, leaving the complexity to us and the simplicity to our customers. MTSCO has 4 product divisions, including MT pipeline, oil field services, MT wire, and MT plate. The product range includes seamless pipes, welded pipes, fittings, flanges, wires, in all sizes. Materials covering austenitic, duplex steel, nickel alloy, and cobalt alloy. Each of MTSCO's factors specializes in one product and holds a PED and AD2000 certificate. These factories are held by MT Holding Group. To go deeper into the customer's industry through MTSCO, serve customers, create value, and contribute to the development of global industry. Why not starting from an inquiry? Feel the quality and service of MTSCO. Services, advanced, focus, efficiency. MTSCO brings you safe assurance. A factory complexes supplier, meeting your desired high cost effectiveness.